Hi guys, welcome to this new YouTube video. This one is a bit different than the other ones because this is just for all the creators on YouTube and on Instagram and photographers, so all the content creators. There is a hack for you how to save money at the moment because of the corona crisis. So it's just one tip, so I will make this video short, and with this one tip you will save around $100 depending on your currency. In Germany it's around 100 euros. So if you have the Adobe Cloud, what you probably have when you're using Lightroom, Premiere Pro, Photoshop and some other apps you will need for your daily work, and they have an offer that started I think 2 days ago, and it is about the cancellation of your plan. So when you have the Adobe Cloud and you're probably paying around 49 euros and something like that in dollars, you can switch to your profile. You find it on your desktop. You see this little icon of the Adobe Cloud. You'll click on that, click on the profile, switch to the plans, click change the plan, and then you cancel the plan. Then you get to a separate page where you can tell them the reason why you cancel your plan and the subscription, and then you choose it's too expensive. Then you get to a next page where they tell you what kind of features you will lose, and then you click next, and then you get to a page where they make you two different offers. The first one is that you get the Adobe Cloud 60 days for free. So 2 months you don't have to pay for the Adobe Cloud. So you're saving 100 euros. And that is a lot during this corona crisis, where we all don't know how we will ensure our income in the next weeks, especially when you're self-employed. The second option is that you can reduce the price of your plan from 49 to 29 euros in the first year of the Adobe Cloud. So I'm using the Adobe Cloud quite a long time, so I'm not quite sure if this makes sense for me. So in this case I have chosen the first plan, so I want to have 2 months free Adobe Cloud. The first one is get your next 2 months for free and save about 100 euros, which is quite nice to get an immediate help. Or you choose the plan, keep the same plan for a special price. This is for 1 year. For the first year you get a discount, and you just pay around 30 euros a month. And this is it's not that much, but at least it's 100 euros. And you can use your Adobe Cloud throughout this crisis and can continue with your jobs you still have. And you can focus on, I don't know, maybe your YouTube channel, or you can push your social media, or you can work on your portfolio and stuff like that. So you will use it in this time where you have less jobs. You can focus on building a portfolio, working on some cases, creating your media kit or your press kit, stuff like that. And for that it's definitely useful. Use this option, cancel your plan, get the offer, and then you can use Adobe right away. So I hope this tip helps you. It's, as I said, just a quick video for all the creators out there. Enjoy, have fun, happy creating. Don't freak out. We will get through this all together. And hopefully we see in the next video. And it's back to the main topic about traveling, mainly the time before the corona crisis started. As I told you in the last video, I recorded a lot of content in the last months before the corona crisis started, so I will edit this in the next days and weeks, and will upload way more videos about travel impressions, sharing experiences, giving travel hacks and stuff like that. So enjoy, have fun creating and editing your content, and we will see in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.